Today we are in Ocean Springs, Mississippi at the Davis Bayou Area Gulf Islands National Seashore. Once you pass the entrance sign, there is a little bit of a drive to get to the parking lot and visitor center. It's maybe 2 miles, I'm just guessing. We did pass some bicyclists on the way and the park campground. Once you get to the parking lot, there's this big sign right here that explains a little bit about the park and gives you a map of some of the trails that are available. I took a picture of the map with my phone, but once we went inside the visitor center, they gave us a brochure with the maps. So first we're going to go inside the visitor center. This is the brochure that they gave us. It was really interesting, said a lot about the park. And again, there are those maps. So you could take that with you if you go out on any of the trails. I did forget to bring my passport book, unfortunately. A passport book is a book you can buy on Amazon or at the national parks, and it shows all the parks in America. So when you go visit the parks, you can get them stamped. And I would have been able to get number 35 there in the corner, circled, stamped, but I forgot my book. So I need to remember to keep that in my car. So this is the inside of the visitor center. The park ranger was manning that welcome station, and they were really helpful and explained a lot about the area. There's also a school field trip going on, so we kind of stayed out of their way. The displays in the visitor center are small, but they are educational and interesting. But I'm sure what you really want to know is where are the restrooms? Well, here they are. There's the men's restroom, some water fountains, and the women's restroom. Right out back of the visitor center is this large deck area with some viewing spots to see all of the bayou. Lots of benches, very relaxing and peaceful out here. And right here, if you look way off in the distance, there are all the casinos over in Biloxi. We tried some of the trails near the visitor center, but unfortunately they were closed off. They needed a lot of repair on the wooden walkways. So we walked on a few short ones near the parking lot. And then we're right back at the parking lot. Just kind of made a circle from the visitor center. There are some other trails off the parking lot. This one here has some information about the vegetation in the area as you're walking along the path. And there's a really nice picnic spot down here also, close to the water. But here's the bugaboo. As we got closer, we started getting bit by biting black flies, whatever you want to call them, horse flies, I don't know. But unfortunately, we had to cut our hiking short because getting bit by those flies is no fun. So we'll have to come back another time when those flies aren't biting so I can get my passport book stamped next time.